Are you a mineral water manufacturer and want to consider lowering your cost by blowing preforms in your factory? Hello, my name is Mayank Agarwal and I am the owner of General Plastic Industries, your packaging partner. Today, I would like to address these questions and tell you what you need to consider before installing a blowing machine in your factory. Being a mineral water manufacturer, you are always looking to reduce the cost of production, and blowing your own preforms is one way to do that. We at General Plastic Industries aim to provide quality preforms to our customers, which works on all types of blowing machines because of consistent grammage. Before investing in a new blowing machine, you have to take into account a few things. Number one, the blowing machine. At General Plastic Industries, we always suggest our customers to buy a good quality blowing machine, requirements and budget. You need to consider your filling line capacity also. Number two, factory space. PET bottles, which are lightweight, use a lot of space for storage, so adequate space is required to keep the raw material and the finished goods. Number three, servo stabilizer. We always recommend our customers to buy a servo stabilizer for their blowing machine to avoid uneven heating. Number four, preform supply. One of the most important factors that need to be considered is the preform supplier. The supplier needs to provide you with consistent quality preforms at the right price. As a mineral water supplier, you already know that during the summer season, the demand is high. You also need to take this into account whether the supplier can meet that demand. Number five, a chiller. Most blowers disregard the requirement of cooling lines, but you should not make the same mistake. For consistent quality bottles and fast production, this is a must. Number six, a compressor. A blowing machine requires a high pressure air compressor for blowing the bottles and a lower pressure air compressor for operating the machine. Minimum requirement is a 30 HP motor high pressure air compressor. Number seven, air dryer. To make a quality bottle, this machine is used to remove all the moisture from the air used to blow the bottles. Being in the industry for the past 20 years, we have learned by experience and are sharing it with you so that you don't face the same problems we have. If you have faced anything apart from what I have discussed today, I would like to hear it from you so that we can increase our learning and educate future blowers so that they do not face these same problems. This is Mayank Agarwal signing off, and I will see you in my next video.